Seems like this week, man, it's been hard. Nothing wants to go right. Nobody wants to do nothing. Seems like everything wants to toss and turn. But I realize sometimes you just have to let it happen. But then again, you have to think about it as you can't always battle it by yourself. So I'm going to ask for some words of encouragement today. And as they give them to me, I'm going to take them and run with them. All right?
Amen. First of all, my son, I would just like to tell you that life is not easy. It's not fair. And you're going to always go through something in life. But what you have to understand is that you have to trust in the Lord. And let Him be your guide instead of people. Amen.
Psalms 27 verse 14 says, "Wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and He shall strengthen thy heart." So just wait on the Lord today.
Amen. Also saying in Psalm 46:1, it says, "God is our refuge and strength. It's always better to help in times of trouble." So just keep faith, be strong, and everything will be okay. All right.
Psalms 101:1 says, "Call the Lord in distress, and He will answer you." So I can say is keep praying to Him, and He will help you when you need His help.
All right.
Well, my brother, in John 16:33 it says, "I have told you these things so that in me you may have peace in this world. You will have trouble, but take heart. I have overcome the world." Jesus.
All right. All right. And Proverbs 3:5-6 it says, "Trust in the Lord with all thine heart. Lean not on your own understanding, but in all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight." All right. All right.
Well, as I take those words of encouragement, you can never get too much, but then again, you can never get too less. So, as we go on with this, we're going to go ahead and get this started.
Koya. Jasmine.
Tara.
Bria.
Tay-Tay. All right. Well, I think we all got this. So we're going to try this out together. Y'all ready? Let's go.
All right, break it down.
All right. So I think we got our show for today. So I think we got somebody that's going to add a little bit extra to this. Let's see what they got. The statement that we do. Glorifies you. Praise your name. Do this stepping game. We flow with things. And all that we do. We're gonna step it up. Like you want us to.
Step it up. Psalms 105:4 says,
Seek the Lord and His strength.
Seek His face forevermore.
All right, y'all. Let's move. Come on.
we can do better than that.
All right.
Y'all ain't got us. Let's work.
Work it out, work it out. Oh, they say they bad.
Let's work. All right, well, y'all think we all got it?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's try this all together. Let's work. All right. All right, so we're gonna switch this up. Maybe try something a little bit different. All right, kids, y'all know what y'all gotta do. Let's go. All right, we're gonna switch this up. Let's go. Let's go. All right, well, big kids, we gonna give them a challenge. Y'all ready?